Do you know how to keep a conversation going? There are 4 different ways to make social comments. The first way is to make an exclamation. The second way is to make a connection to your conversation partner. This can be any comment that connects you to the other person. To make a connection comment, first, you should think about what the person just said. What can you relate to? And your comment should always match the mood of your partner. I'm so excited for my basketball game later.
I love playing basketball.
We've all had situations where we're talking to someone else, and then they didn't really connect to what we said. I'm going to the beach this weekend.
I need to go to the store to buy snacks.
Let's try that again. I'm going to the beach this weekend.
I love going to the beach and collecting seashells.
Others like talking to us when we comment during conversation. Next time, we'll learn about the other 2 ways to comment. Thanks for watching. Until next time.